No ball is in your court, Khalid.
No issue. I'm ready. No issue. There is nothing really. This is just a replacement one-to-one, by the way. I mean, there is really no impact at all from the new system.
True.
In fact, a new system is, in fact, much better than that.
Okay.
That's why it's replacement.
So this is the same thing. I will remove it. So no major change. Construction ERP.
Okay.
Okay. Determine if program is in place to test effectiveness or emergency plans. No impact. Construction emergency response plan is there. Assess the availability of high-level interface emergency plan. Not required, so we have the same thing. So guys, for this objective, the new project, the new VFD is not introducing any new risk. So no need to update the existing ERP. Construction ERP has been done and construction has been finished as per the company standard, and we are okay. In this PHSER 5, we have identified total 5 recommendations, and this recommendation must be closed ASAP. So what I will do after this today, we'll check the spelling, grammar, and put the document number. We'll send you the report for your comments, if any. So guys, let me know if you have any point. Khalid, Bobolo, Niaz, Ashik, Nishad, any point to discuss?
I think only